Hello everyone, this is your Tech channel. With a logistics wizard like this guy, you straight up don't need a whole unloading team. This dude's gotta have a black belt in window washing. Look at that skill. Guys, don't look away from this perfect concrete pour. It's pure satisfaction from start to finish. This man spends hours polishing a concrete staircase. But man, that glassy smoothness is 100% worth it. A cool attachment hooks onto a tractor, digging trenches and laying irrigation pipe all at the same time. Each one of these bags is 50 kilograms. Now count how many he's stacking and tell me how he makes it look easy. When you're moving heavy iron materials, magnetic cranes are absolute game changers. A worker fires up a hydraulic press to crush a huge pile of aluminum cans into a tight recycling bale in seconds. This wild excavator setup makes a tricky job way simpler, and even saves trees in the process. This super careful work means the whole lawn gets moved to its new spot without a single scratch. Here's how they clean streets in China. Looks like pressure washers on serious steroids. Who knew you could bring old stadium seats back to brand new with just a torch? Just don't go overboard. Safety first. You won't believe how satisfying a giant magnet can be until you watch it go to work. This clever pencil and wire trick makes fitting boards around weird-shaped rocks a total breeze. Only a true master can make spreading mortar look this hypnotic. How about these paper-thin fish slices? Straight up impressive. This machine carves ice with such precise cuts, it turns blocks into sparkling diamonds. Watch a beefy excavator tear up old railway tracks like it's nothing. The non-stop spray washes off all the leftover dust, slowly revealing that shiny metal fin structure underneath. Quick way to trim off excess paper after die cutting. The factory production line is now super modern. Fully closed loop, seamless, running smooth 24/7. An automated sewing machine stitches a perfect pattern onto curved fabric, probably for a hat or bag.